everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna open this box.
Magnetic letter board from Tepsmigo. Let's open it. It has a nice thank you card. I would like to thank Tepsmigo for sending us this learning set. Here's the writing or drawing board. On this side is a chalkboard, and on the other side is a dry erase board. It has a hanger so you can hang it on the wall, a mesh bag that contains letters, numbers, and symbols, and it also has eraser and a marker. This is really nice, and it also comes with this easel for your board. Let's set it up. So we have 133 pieces here, 52 lowercase letters, 52 uppercase letters, 21 numbers, and 8 symbols. These are made of non-toxic and eco-friendly soft foam material, and the easel and the letter board are made of natural wood. And this is for ages 3 and up.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? I'm finding the letter B.
A, B,
I'm finding B, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? I get all not that, not that, not that. I take everything off, but I don't want that. But that was wrong. I think we have to do it again. A, B, C, E, E, A. You did it wrong. A. A. Where's C?
C.
D.
Right here.
C. F. Where's the
D is right here.
D. This is E. Two E's.
Mm-hmm.
E. A. Mommy, where's F?
F.
Ah! Yeah, F.
This is a small F.
F.
Here's a big F.
I want a lowercase F. F. Where's O? G. G. Ow! Mommy, H.
H.
Yes, H.
Right here.
H. I, Mama.
This I.
That's L.
Oh, okay.
This one aside. I mean, I need a big I.
I.
Yeah.
I can't find it. You have to help me out.
This is a small I.
You want the
is-
uppercase I?
Yeah. Uppercase I.
I can't find it.
This is the uppercase I.
Oh, you can use that one.
What is this?
Yeah. H I. What's
Yeah.
next?
J, J.
J.
This is called J. J. Where's J? A, B, C, G, E, F, G, H, I, K, K, L, A, G, A. I got C.
I can't find the J, Danica. I think it's missing. What's next? J. J, K. Do the K first.
J.
Is it J? That's a small J. Oh, you can put it there if you want, because I can find the uppercase.
J. This is J. This is J. Oh,
Yes.
I broke it.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix it. Give it back to me.
Oh, I fixed it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.